Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back with another video. This is Ahmed, and today we are going to learn how to make table of content in Word document. So let's start. Press on references. On references, we find table of content in left hand side. So click on left hand side on table of content. So it gives us different options. Before making table of content, we have to do some steps. So let's start with these steps. First of all, we have to select different words with title, heading first, heading second, and heading third. So let's start. So let's suppose I select this as title, and capital formation as first heading, natural resources as a second heading of this, marketable surplus as a second heading of this, and conditions in foreign trade as a first heading, and economic system first heading, human resources as second heading of this, technical know-how as a third heading, second heading of this, and this is another first heading. So we have make the document. Now we go to make table of content. Firstly, we have to insert page break and references, table of content. I select second option, automatic table 2, and enter. So we found here table of content. So this is a simple procedure which contain many steps. Thank you very much.